Welcome, Ben Crypto here. First episode on my new YouTube crypto channel. This channel has been years in the making. Finally launching it now. Very excited. Every day I'll be covering the latest crypto news and developments in the marketplace with an emphasis on projects whose coins have been performing exceptionally well. As is customary in the industry, I do not give financial advice. I just do the research and let you make your own investing decisions. If you're on Twitter, you can find me on there. I'm Ben Crypto. Here's my page. What are we going to be going over today? We will be going over Apecoin and their token price going absolutely bananas. We'll be talking about Coinbase and their new highly anticipated NFT marketplace. We'll be discussing Snoop Dogg and his new Metaverse launching. We'll be covering all the latest funding news and big price movers, including 0x, Zilliqa, and Trustswap. So if you like the show, hit the like and subscribe button, and let's begin. How is the market doing today? Down 1% on the one-day charts. We've been seeing a lot of that lately. Not too much volatility in the marketplace. Green fear at 24 in the extreme fear zone. Investors are slightly nervous. Study came out a couple days ago. Bitcoin Google searches are down to their lowest level since 2020. Retail interest in Bitcoin seems to be fading as Google service searches plummeted to their lowest lows not seen since late 2020. It's basically saying that the average, everyday retail trader is not particularly interested in Bitcoin now because the prices aren't that high. But this could be good news because if we look at this chart here, this shows Google searches over time, and then the 3 times where Google searches have been peaking: December of 17, April of 21, November of 21. Prices crashed afterwards. So at least this shows that we're not at a Bitcoin price peak right now. It's not necessarily bad news. What else has come out lately? Bitcoin's 30-day volatility slips to a 17-month low. The leading crypto 30-day volatility has declined to 2.2%, the lowest since November 5th of 2020. So this isn't necessarily indicative of which direction a price is going to go in, but when the volatility is low, the trading volumes are lower, which means that if a piece of good news or bad news comes out, it could have a greater effect on prices than it would if that piece of news came out when there were higher volumes because there's lower liquidity in the marketplace. So this is something to watch for to see if there might be some drastic price swings coming up. What else has come out? Study here is showing that currently Bitcoin funding rates are negative, which this is bearish. So this says that the shorts are paying a premium to the longs to enter their trades. That's what happened when the Bitcoin funding price is negative. If the funding rate is positive, it means that the longs are paying the shorts a premium to enter their trades. So that would be bullish if that was happening, but the funding rate is negative right now, which basically means the short traders have more conviction in their trades. They are more confident in their trades, and that is definitely bearish. But on the flip side, this is bullish. Plan B, as a noted technical analyst, Bitcoin realized price near 200-week moving average. So he went on to show that Bitcoin has crossed its 200-day moving average only twice in its history, 2 times previously, this being the 3rd time. The other 2 times it did it late 2016 and mid 2020. Prices actually skyrocketed afterwards. Both these occurrences actually were right before the 2 biggest bull runs in history, the 2017 bull run and the late 2020 and 2021 bull run. So the fact that this is now the 3rd time that Bitcoin has crossed the 200-week moving average right here, hopefully that's bullish. Hopefully we'll have prices skyrocketing again. We shall see. Let's move on to the news for the day. Coinbase and their NFT Marketplace has gone live. This has been a highly anticipated story. Coinbase launched the beta version of the long-anticipated NFT Marketplace on Wednesday, allowing a group of 3 million beta test users to test the platform. It will support Ethereum-based NFT trading only. There will be no gas fees to start, and then gas fees will be gradually implemented at a low gas fee rates. There will be a social media element. They want to kind of prioritize building a community. This is all exciting news. They partnered with 0x to launch this. 0x is a decentralized protocol that enables NFT cross-chain swaps within the Ethereum marketplace, and since Coinbase's NFT Marketplace is only supporting Ethereum-based NFTs, this would make sense that they would partner with 0x. 0x, they do have a token. It's skyrocketed 47% on the news. Good for them. What else is going on? Limewire raised $10 million in a private sale. to relaunch a music-based NFT marketplace. They've gotten funding from Crypto.com, Arrington Capital, also from some DJs, Steve Aoki, Deadmau5. He also invested, but then this came out here. Limewire founder not thrilled that strangers are exploiting the brand for the NFT marketplace. So basically, the new Limewire NFT marketplace has nothing to do with the original founders. It has nothing to do with the original LimeWire whatsoever. It was founded, this new NFT marketplace, it was just founded by mainstream tech guys who, I guess, just recruited Steve Aoki and Deadmau5 as investors to get the musician credibility in there, and then they bought the name to have, good buzz of a brand name when they were launching, which they are getting that now. So only time will tell if this is successful. Sticking with music, Snoop Dogg, he's bringing digital weed to the marketplace, to the Metaverse, partnering with Mobland to launch a digital weed farm NFTs in the Metaverse. Mobland, they are sort of a mafia metaverse within cryptocurrency. Their metaverse is enabling a business buildings district area within the next couple months, and then Snoop's weed building will be one of those buildings within the business building districts. That sounds like an ideal partnership, and most people know Mobland actually does have a coin here, and it's skyrocketed on the news. The Snoop partnership went from about 5.5 cents here. This is the 7-day chart. 5.5 cents here to 80 cents. That's about a 70% raise. Good for them. Snoop is always good for business. Moving on, Apecoin. This is the 7-day, 14-day chart. It's been a roller coaster, up, down, up, down, up. The reason for this, as many of you probably know, there's been a long rumored, or not long rumored, just this week, but there's been Metaverse rumors for Apecoin, their parent company, Yuga Labs. They have been rumored to be launching a Metaverse soon, which will incorporate Apecoin NFT trading, so the Bored Apes you can trade on there. This was a rumor for a while, started by this guy here, who is an influencer and owns Bored Apes, but apparently there was some truth to the rumors because the price did skyrocket just on this tweet here. And then the news was confirmed today, and Reddit's been going crazy all week with the Apecoin news and price movement action, and then it was confirmed by the parent company that Other Side, that's the name of the metaverse, it will be launching April 30th. That's in about a week. So I will be paying attention to that, seeing what kind of effect it has on the prices. Let's move on to another big price mover recently, Zilliqa. So let's see. So Zilliqa, they haven't really, price hasn't had too much action lately in the last week. It's pretty flat, but I wanted to discuss them. The 30-day price up 126%. It's ridiculously impressive considering Bitcoin has been down about 25% during that time. So what is going on with them? They're an old school project. They've been around since 2017. They're a layer 1 blockchain based in Asia. I always love it when these sort of old school coins kind of come back to life. A lot of times we'll see, these old school projects just sort of fade away gradually. The price will just slowly go to zero to become a dead project. Not the case with Zilliqa. They've come roaring back to life. Basically, just a lot of developments have happened in the last month. They joined the Blockchain and Gaming Alliance, pushing a renewed focus on esports and gaming. The market seemed to react well to that. They had their big Metapolis Metaverse launch at BTC Miami about a month ago. That was big news. That pumped the market, that pumped Zilliqa. They've also made some new hires, hired a head of gaming. They also hired a head of marketing recently. So a lot going on with Zilliqa. It just goes to show some of the coins that you haven't been hearing too much about lately. They're not as buzzworthy. Those are the ones you got to pay attention to because they can just come roaring back to life at any time, like Zilliqa did. Here's another coin that's been pumping lately, Trustswap. They do cross-chain swaps. They're based in Asia. Pumped big time a couple days ago, 46%. That being due to them being listed on BitHum. BitHum is like the Coinbase of Korea, so they're big with the retail traders in Korea. So anything that gets launched there almost always pumps in price. So, two Asia-based coins that cater to the retail traders, that's definitely something to watch for going forward, is the Asia trading marketplace sort of coming back to life. It's good news if they are. What else has been mooning recently? STEEM. This is the 7-day chart here. Huge price spike here, 34 cents to about 60 cents. It's an 80% price hike there. So what happened? They got launched on Binance. That will do it right there. Always good. Now, Steam's been around forever. They've been around since 2016. They've gone through multiple iterations of their project. Currently, they're like a social media project, sort of like a post-earn sort of DApp. So I guess Binance like that. Never too late to be listed on the big exchanges, and the market reacted appropriately there. What else do we have? And that's it for today. So it's the first episode. It's done. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be doing a deep dive on StepN, the fitness move to earn app, which has just been pumping ridiculously lately. And then going forward, I'm looking to have videos every Monday through Friday. Half of them will be deep dive videos. Half of them will be just covering the daily news like this here. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button as usual. You guys have all heard that before, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Ben Crypto signing out. Later.